Hello friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make yogurt quinoa. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 400 grams yogurt, 1 bowl of quinoa, wash and soak for 10 minutes, 1 cucumber finely chopped, 1 bowl pomegranate, 2 green chilies cut in length, 15 to 20 curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon split black gram, 1 teaspoon Bengal gram, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 8 to 10 cloves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 bowl coriander leaves, 1 pinch of asafoetida, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon oil and 2 bowl of water. First in a pan put 1 tablespoon oil, put quinoa and roast it for 2 minutes. Now put 2 bowls water, salt and cover it and cook it on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Now remove this in a bowl and keep it to cool down. Now put yogurt, cucumber, pomegranate, salt, coriander leaves and mix well. Now in a tempering pan, put 2 tablespoons oil, dry whole red chili, mustard seeds, cloves, split black gram, Bengal grams, asafoetida, curry leaves, green chilies and mix well and prepare tempering. Now pour this over prepared yogurt quinoa and mix well. Healthy and yummy yogurt quinoa is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.